What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark Roden, and today I have the best news possible. Today, it's actually Saturday, but this video is going to go up on Monday. But today, Saturday, was my last day working at a job for somebody else. I earn enough on the internet to be able to do it full time now, comfortably, and not have to worry about like money and stuff like that. And that's what I'm doing now. Obviously, this is literally impossible without you guys, so every fiber in my body wants to just give you guys the biggest hug right now. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. I can't believe that just some kid out here, some 22-year-old kid who knows about cars can share this much information and so many people want to watch him. It really blows my mind, and it's all thanks to you. It's all thanks to you. Now, I want to make it clear that this does not mean that I'm like freaking Adam LZ and I'm like rich as hell and I'm going to be buying like 20 different project cars. It's still going to be like normal Mark content. It's not like the freaking 350Z is going to be like 5-tupled turbocharged by the end of this month. It's not the case, but it is going to, like, you know, we're going to be picking up. That's the one thing I wanted to talk about, actually, is now that I have all the time in the world to be making videos, I will be making 5 videos a week, maybe 6 videos a week, depending on if I go to an event, because now that I have the time, I can also go to events, because when I was working, I had to work on Saturday mornings, on Fridays, and so there was really no time to go to any of the events, because usually they happen on Saturday mornings, and so I never could film any like drift events or drag race events or car meets or anything like that, because I always had work. But now that I don't, I can go to those. So there's a chance that if I'm going to an event, I'll upload on a Saturday or something like that, but for the most part, most likely my videos are going to be coming live Monday through Friday, 5 a week, baby. I don't really know how the freaking like schedule is gonna work. I'm probably gonna try to do at least one like vlog or like car build a week. I want to do like at least one good, bad, and ugly a week, and at least one top 10 a week, and then another top 10, but that isn't about budget cars a week, so that it's like, you know, like top 10 like favorite toilets to go poop on. Mark, if you're watching this, that was funny. Nobody else is gonna get. That's an inside joke, gentlemen. Okay, but yeah, like things like that are freaking what I'm probably gonna do with the other day. And then the last day, I honestly don't know. I still want to do the car review. So if you live in the New England area and you want me to review your car, definitely hit me up. So that might be the 5th day. It might also be another vlog style day. It might just be like a regular tip style day. And I was also thinking maybe even turn it into like a live stream day. Like I can live stream like video games and just talk to you guys and answer questions, and you guys can come in and, you know, just say whatever you want to say. But I don't know what we're gonna do with that. So the last day is kind of up in the air, but the other 4 days I kind of have them all planned out already. But yeah, 5 days a week is gonna be starting pretty soon. I can't believe it, man. I cannot believe it. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. It's unbelievable what the channel's achieving right now, and I just want to really grab it by its horns and run with it. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I did it. But yeah, you guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. If you guys ever are sitting there at home and you're like, oh, I really want to start YouTube, but like I don't know how to start, I'm nervous, just start, man. Just start. If you go back to my first ever video, you can watch how nervous I was. Okay, I was nervous. I was nervous, and I was talking to nobody. Now I'm talking to 20,000 people, and I'm not nervous at all. Okay, so you just do it, because it could literally change your life. Like you could literally be like me now, and I don't have to really worry about going to work. I'm still going to be working, but not for another person. It's awesome, and it's all thanks to freaking you guys. You guys, freaking awesome, man. Thank you guys so much. We've achieved so much in just 2 years. Imagine where we're going to be in like 5 years. Oh. Now I want to take a moment though, real quick, to apologize, actually, because I understand that you guys are giving me all this support, and you guys are non-stop commenting, oh, thanks Mark, whatever, blah blah blah, and I feel so bad because my quality is the world's worst green screen, okay, the world's worst editing, no microphone or anything like that. I had a microphone, it didn't really change anything, and I'm filming on a GoPro and editing on my iPhone, and you guys are still sticking with me. It's so, I just want to say I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry. I wish I was better at editing and like all this whole like YouTube stuff. I try to learn, but it's just so hard for me. I can't get it. Like it's confusing, all this editing stuff. But if you are like an editor and you edit videos, hit me up on Instagram, because I do need one. So if you want to make some money for these videos, hit me up. We'll get that figured out. But yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to talk to you about today. No, obviously not like a real video. Ooh, another idea I came up with though is tier lists. Would you guys want to see that, like tier lists? So I don't know if you've ever seen tier lists before, but it's like a format where it's almost like a high school grading format. So it's like A, B, C, D, E, F. Well, there's no E in high school, but you know what I mean. And you just kind of put the like whatever it is that you're ranking in the selected spot. So A is obviously the best, and there could be multiple in one. So I was doing some like just for fun the other day, and I was like, oh, maybe the YouTube homies would want to see this. So I was thinking about doing Thinking about doing tier lists. Let me know if you guys want to see that. But yeah, that's all I want to talk to you guys about today. Thank you. I'm sorry it's not like a real video, but starting tomorrow, it's going to be every day during the week, maybe even 6 days a week. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome. We're going to achieve greatness here, people. Thank you guys so much for watching. Das Vidania. I love each and every one of you. Thank you for making my dreams come true. Have a nice night.